Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check whether your machine supports SATA, NVMe, or M, two form factors and the correct interface. Once done, make a full disk image or backup and verify the file integrity to avoid data loss. Then gather tools, a magnetic screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, and a USB to SATA adapter for cloning. You'll need power and a stable workspace. Set system to sleep disabled and record serials, or license keys, if applicable, before proceeding. You now choose cloning versus a fresh install based on time and cleanliness. Cloning copies everything. Fresh install gives a clean system. If cloning, run trusted imaging software and target an SSD with equal or larger usable capacity, making sure partitions are aligned for performance. Once clone completes, enable trim, check OSI/NVMe drivers, and set the correct UEFI/legacy boot mode in firmware. If installing fresh, partition and format the SSD properly and install drive. You're at the finish line. Power down, ground yourself, remove the old drive if needed, and mount the new SSD securely in its bay or slot. Connect power and data cables firmly. Once done, boot into BIOS or UEFI and set the new drive as the primary boot device, then boot into the OS to verify. Run a basic benchmark and update SSD firmware and drivers for stability. If the system won't boot, double-check cable seating, SATA/NVMe slot placement, and the boot order. These fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.